PaintShop Pro is a highly versatile and comprehensive graphic design and photo editing software that stands out for its rich set of features, intuitive interface, and affordability. It's designed to cater to a wide range of users, from beginners just getting started with photo editing to advanced users looking for a robust tool that can handle complex graphic design tasks. One of the program's key strengths is its user-friendly layout, which makes navigating the software easy even for those who are not tech-savvy. The workspace is customizable, allowing users to tailor the interface to their needs, which enhances the overall workflow and makes editing tasks more efficient. PaintShop Pro offers an impressive array of editing tools, including layers, masks, and advanced selection options that allow for precise control over image adjustments. The software's photo correction tools, such as noise reduction, lens correction, and the ability to fix lighting issues, make it possible to significantly enhance image quality with just a few clicks. Additionally, its AI-powered features like AI upsampling and AI denoise elevate image editing by providing intelligent enhancements that are both powerful and easy to apply. The program also shines in terms of creative possibilities, with an extensive collection of effects, filters, and artistic presets that can transform ordinary photos into stunning works of art. Its wide range of brushes, textures, and color palettes encourages experimentation and allows artists to express their creativity freely. PaintShop Pro's integration of vector graphic tools and the ability to work with text layers also make it a strong competitor in the graphic design space, offering functionalities that go beyond traditional photo editing.